Getting a Venmo QR code is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, you need to have a Venmo account. If you don't have one, download the Venmo app and sign up for an account. Once you have a Venmo account, open the Venmo app and tap on the menu icon, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the option that says Me or Profile. This will take you to your Venmo profile page. On your profile page, you will see a variety of options, including the option to share your Venmo profile or get a QR code. Tap on the option that says Share or Get QR code. This will generate a unique QR code that is linked to your Venmo account. You can then use this QR code to receive payments from others. Simply have them scan the QR code using their smartphone and they will be taken to your Venmo profile where they can send you money. You can also share your QR code on social media or via text message to make it easy for others to find and pay you. It is also a good idea to customize your QR code by adding a profile picture and a username. This will make it more recognizable and easier for others to identify you. You can do this by going to your profile page and tapping on the edit icon. From there you can upload a profile picture and change your username. In addition to using your QR code to receive payments, you can also use it to split bills or request money from others. For example, if you are out with friends and you want to split a bill, you can have each person scan your QR code and send you their portion of the bill. Overall, getting a Venmo QR code is a simple and convenient way to receive payments and manage your finances. By following these steps and customizing your QR code, you can make it easy for others to pay you and stay on top of your finances.